When it comes to cooking, having the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you're an aspiring chef or someone who simply enjoys preparing home-cooked meals, this Koch Systeme CS 8T plus 11T Nonstick Frying Pan Set with lids is an essential addition to your kitchen. Offering an unbeatable combination of nonstick performance, durability, and versatility, this frying pan set takes your cooking to the next level. Say goodbye to scratched, sticky pans, and hello to effortless cooking. Why the Koch Systeme CS Frying Pan Set is perfect for you. The Koch Systeme CS Frying Pan Set is crafted to meet the needs of modern home cooks. If you've been struggling with your old, worn-out nonstick pans that make cooking a chore, it's time for an upgrade. Here's why this frying pan set is exactly what you've been looking for. Key features and benefits. Superior nonstick coating for effortless cooking. The Koch Systeme CS frying pans are built with a high-quality granite and aluminum alloy coating that provides an ultra non-stick surface. This means less oil or butter is needed, making your meals healthier. The non-stick surface also ensures that your food slides off the pan with ease, making both cooking and cleaning a breeze. Fast and even heat distribution. Made from professional-grade aluminum alloy, the pans heat quickly and distribute heat evenly. This means no hot spots, allowing you to cook your food to perfection every time. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing veggies, or cooking up a delicious stir-fry, you'll experience consistent results with these pans. Compatible with most stoves, no need to worry about whether this frying pan set will work with your stovetop. The Koch Systeme CS pans are designed to work on all stove types: gas, induction, and ceramic. So whether you're cooking on a traditional gas burner or an induction cooktop, these pans will deliver fast, even heat for perfect cooking. Ergonomic, heat-resistant handle. The frying pans come with an ergonomically designed bakelite handle that ensures a comfortable grip. Plus, the handle is heat-resistant, so you won't have to worry about burning your hand while cooking. This adds an extra layer of safety and convenience to your cooking experience. Glass lids for clear cooking progress. The frying pan set includes a durable glass lid for each pan. These lids allow you to monitor your food without removing the lid, helping retain moisture and heat for better cooking results. The glass lids also feature a steam vent to control the release of excess moisture. Easy to clean and maintain. After cooking your delicious meals, the last thing you want is a mess to clean. Thanks to the non-stick coating, the Koch Systeme CS frying pans are extremely easy to clean. Simply wipe them down or wash them with mild soap and water, and you're good to go. The non-stick coating also helps prevent the buildup of food residue, making the pans stay clean for longer. Pros: ultra non-stick granite coating for easy cooking and cleaning. Even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Compatible with gas, induction, and ceramic stoves. Ergonomic, heat-resistant handle for added safety and comfort. Includes durable glass lids for monitoring cooking progress. Scratch-resistant and durable construction for long-term use. Cons: not suitable for use in the oven. Lids may need extra care to prevent scratches. Can be heavier compared to lighter cookware options. Why you should buy the Koch Systeme CS Frying Pan Set. This frying pan set is ideal for anyone who values quality cookware that makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Koch Systeme CS frying pans offer the perfect balance of performance and ease of use. Plus, with their sleek design and durable construction, these pans will fit seamlessly into any modern kitchen. The non-stick surface, combined with even heat distribution, ensures that your meals will turn out perfectly every time, making it an essential tool for health-conscious individuals looking to cook with less oil. Additionally, the ergonomic handles and glass lids make cooking safer and more convenient. Perfect for every kitchen. The 8 and 11-inch sizes offer the perfect range for everything from quick breakfasts to family-sized meals. The set is large enough to handle different types of cooking while still being compact and easy to store. Plus, the pans are induction compatible, making them perfect for those who use an induction cooktop. The Koch Systeme CS Frying Pan Set provides a perfect balance of style, function, and quality, making it the ultimate tool for healthier, more efficient cooking. Get yours today and elevate your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.